What's up, what's up, what's up, you guys? This is SkinnyBoyRandy. What's up? Hope you're having a great, blessed, growing, and prosperous day. Hope you're safe, corona-free. Hope you're washing your hands, trying to keep your hands away from your face, all that good stuff, you guys. You know the routine. I hope you're practicing it. I am off today. Can you believe it? I'm out here in my jammies, my slides, and my jacket because it's a little chilly out here. But I checked my forecast. No more frost for the next 10 days, and I'm going to start putting some stuff in the ground, you guys. Yes, we're going to start putting some tomatoes in the ground. We may put some other stuff in the ground. Who knows? If you're new to my channel, welcome to Gardening with SkinnyBoyRandy. Click the like and subscribe button. Click the thumbs up, thumbs down. Just not the two middle if you don't mind, okay? Okay! I love you guys. Thanks so much for being here. Thank you for all the love and support on the YouTube commercial, you guys. Words can express how it feels to just be a part of that. Okay. So today we're gonna plant some of our tomatoes in the ground. We started these on March the 25th. Some people are gonna say that's too early, Randy. You're doing it too soon. You're doing it too soon. But you know us. We do what we want to do, how we want to do it, when we want to do it. Look at these tomatoes. I've had these in the ground for weeks. They've withstood frost. And they're still kicking. Even over here, look at this one. Look at this tomato plant. Been in the ground since frost. Pepper in the ground since frost. You know, you guys, some things work for some people, some things don't. We have to pick a lot of these radish and all this kind of stuff out of here too. But we're going to intersect. We're going to go in and go throughout and make some changes right now. Okay? So follow along, you guys. Hopefully the video is not too long, but we're doing what we need to do, okay? So all I'm going to do is, hope you can see me. I'm going to get down here and make some holes. I have this little garden tool here. If you don't have that, just use a little shovel thingy, whatever you have, okay? Don't go and spend a lot of money. And then I'm going to use a little Charlie's compost in each hole. I just use a little bit in each hole. I don't sprinkle it over the whole thing. I use a little bit in each hole to conserve. This was like $19 or $20 from Amazon, you guys. I can't make my own compost. I probably can, but I just haven't. And I don't have that much time, you know, during the day because I work full time at the hospital. So you know my story. So I'm just going to cut a little hole in this bag. Just so we get some compost out when we need it. And we're going to get to work, y'all. And like I said, I don't do pretty gardening, I do productive gardening. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to come in and you're like, Randy, you got stuff already in there. I know that. That's what we're doing. We're intertwining different things. So I'm going to make some holes where I want some of my tomatoes. Like right here. Just going to make a hole. Just like that. Make another one right here, just like that, and I'm coming down here, just like that. Then I'm going to do one here. Can you guys see me? Can y'all see me over there? I hope you're having a blessed day, you guys. Hope you're safe. Hope your family is safe. I love you. It's a little windy out here, but you know, we get through it. I'm gonna come right here. Yep, we got one already right there. So we're just gonna cross over here. And each year you grow stuff, you guys. You learn, you know, you learn every year. You learn something different. So, you know, don't be afraid to try different stuff. Mother's Day is May 10th, and that's like 12, 13 days away. I'm going to start mine now. And we got one there. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9. So now I'm just going to sprinkle a little compost in each one. And this is just chicken poop. Sprinkle a little compost in each hole. Yeah, you guys, chicken poop. Chicken poop. Now I'm going to take some of our tomato plants. You guys don't sleep on these Dollar Tree plants. Look at these. They're ready. They're ready to go in the ground. So we're going to come right here. Take my hand, get right down in the dirt. And let me put you down in the ground with me. You know I love you right in the ground with me. I want you to see everything. So let's sit this right here. And hope I'm getting a great view. Can you see me? I can't see myself. Okay. So just, you know, we got the chicken poop in there and the regular soil. Just gently squeeze your cup. And we don't want to send it into shock. So we're going to leave it in the soil that it's in. Just like that. Just like that. Did you guys see the YouTube commercial? I have yet to catch it on TV, but everybody's calling me and telling me they've seen it. I haven't. Get you down in the dirt with me. Hope you can see me. I love you guys. You're the best. Thanks for being here. Yep. We're just gonna. We don't want to disturb anything. Good pack. I think I'm going to put this one a little deeper. There we go. There we go. Because those fairy hairs, you guys remember, they'll turn into roots. You'll have a healthy plant. So we're going to keep on moving. Put one right here. Just like that. Let's prop this one up with its own soil. Like that. Let me go get some more plants, you guys. Okay, I have 3 more plants. And our red cups. Just gonna pop them on out. You guys, it feels so good to be out here in the yard, in the garden, in the dirt. It's a beautiful feeling, you guys. You should try it. I'm telling you, you'll love it. And it doesn't take long. It doesn't take much. You see what I'm doing? Just like that. And we have 2 more spaces left. Let me go get 2 more plants. Get you over here with me. Right here. Can you see me? Yeah. Right on down in there like that. And it's still in its original soil, so it's not going to go into complete shock. Right down in there like that. Just like so, you guys. And there you have it. We've transplanted 9. Oh, we're missing one. Missing one more. We need one more, you guys. One more. You can't forget the little hole over here in the corner. Yeah, right here. Right down in there like that. Press down a little bit. Yep. Just like that. And we've transplanted 9 tomatoes into our garden. Mix it in with the lettuce. It's okay. It's okay. They're still growing. And we have more plants to plant. I'm going to put some things over here throughout. Look at all this, you guys. Look. Just harvest. All types of harvest over here. Just all types of harvest. And you started this with me, you guys. Look. Isn't that beautiful? Just all types of harvest down in here. All types of lettuce, radish, just a lot. And you know, we were testing our soil over here, so there you have it. Just wanted to show you a quick update on how to transplant your plants into your garden. It's not rocket science, you guys. Just prop them up real good, give them a strong base, and they'll do just fine. I love you. You're the best. Remember, click like and subscribe. Click the notification button if you want to get notified when I do a video. I'm sorry, you guys. I'm not too long getting up. Got some good rest. I'm off today. Love you. You're the best. Live, love, laugh, grow stuff, and eat it.